Cheers. Alright, don't judge me. It's a bit of a different dish up tonight because I'm in bed. I've had a long day, so I thought I'd get a little peri order. I was going to get Nando's, but they wanted like 22 quid off me. So I thought I'm going to get a freshly grilled, which cost me £15, and I got way more than I would have in a Nando's. Even a burger. So many bags. Look how many bags now. And sauce. They forgot sauce last time, which was gutting. I've got my tray. I've got Reese's West Ham tray. Don't judge me. See, with here they always do like 2-for-1 chips. 2-for-1 chips and 2-for-1 strips. So like both these bags just chips. I'm just gonna. Did I get peri one? I don't know. Yeah. That's what I mean. I give you so many chips. But look at that portion of chips. Just one portion of chips. It's massive. I've got a burger and I've got strips. And save them chips. I might put them in the air fryer tomorrow. I've got strips as well. Oh, it's coming out everywhere. So saucy. I want the sauce on the chips though. Don't judge me for being in bed and eating and being in my pyjamas, seriously. I've been at the vet with the dog. Tired. I hate cooking. That's the burger. Can you see? It's all grilled. Like, I went to the gym, so obviously I don't want to cook, but I don't want anything super unhealthy. So that's my plate. Strips, a grilled chicken burger and chips, and that was 15 quid. And there's another packet of chips there and my sauce. I'll take a bite with you as usual. This burger looks like it could get a bit messier. Cheers. Just what I want. Just what I want.